Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we unveil the top-rated best brake pads for Honda Civic, ensuring unmatched safety and performance for your prized ride. Let's dive in. Number 1. Wagner ZD465A. Unleash the power of precision braking. Rocket elevate your Honda Civic's performance with these exceptional brake pads from Wagner. Engineered for absolute precision, the Wagner series guarantees a seamless stopping experience, even under intense conditions. Say goodbye to brake fade and embrace unparalleled confidence on the road. Superior quality, enhanced safety, and the perfect fit for your Honda Civic. Upgrade now and conquer the roads like never before. Number 2. Introducing Bosch BC914, the game changer for Honda Civic owners. These brake pads redefine performance and safety on the road. Say goodbye to worries about braking efficiency. With Bosch, you'll experience seamless control and superior stopping power. Engineered for excellence, they fit like a dream, ensuring a smooth and noise-free ride. Embrace confidence with every brake, knowing your Honda Civic is equipped with the best. Upgrade to Bosch now and witness the ultimate driving experience. Trust the brand that cares for your safety. Number 3. Introducing PowerStop 17-914 Z17 brake pads, the ultimate upgrade for your Honda Civic's braking performance. These pads are a game changer, delivering exceptional stopping power and unmatched durability. Say goodbye to squealing brakes and embrace smooth, quiet stops every time. With PowerStop's advanced technology, your driving experience will never be the same again. Don't settle for less. Equip your Civic with these top-notch brake pads and conquer the road with confidence. Automobile dashing away collision. Number 4. Bendix brake pads. Unleash your Honda Civic's braking power. Rocket rev up your ride with Bendix brake pads, tailor-made for the Honda Civic. These pads are the epitome of precision, reliability, and peak performance. From smooth stops to exceptional durability, they redefine driving confidence. Experience the road like never before with Bendix, the ultimate choice for any Honda Civic enthusiast. Elevate your braking game today. Number 5. Raybestos brake pads. Unleash your Honda Civic's true braking power. Rocket elevate your driving experience with Raybestos brake pads, the ultimate choice for Honda Civic owners. Engineered with precision and unmatched performance, these pads redefine stopping efficiency. From city cruising to exhilarating adventures, Raybestos empowers your ride with confidence and safety. Feel the difference in every brake, a seamless fusion of reliability and innovation. Upgrade your Honda Civic today and make a bold statement on the road. Raybestos brake pads, revolutionizing your braking experience. Stop sign fire. In conclusion, after evaluating various options, we've found the top-notch brake pads for your Honda Civic. Their exceptional performance, durability, and reliability make them the ideal choice for ensuring your safety on the road. Don't compromise on brake quality, invest in the best. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this review helpful in making an informed decision for your vehicle. Drive safe.